Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. Under it we've got the gallery, so obviously after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own photos. And we've got also the wallpaper services. Under it we've got apply dark mode to the wallpaper, so this option right now is turned on. It means that if you will have the dark mode applied to your device, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. And if you will have the internet connection, you can tap on explore more wallpapers, and then you will be transferred to the Galaxy themes and you will be able to pick the wallpaper. But let me pick something from My Wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed ones, as I said, and actually all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both, so just tap on lock screen and home screen. And as you can see here we've got the preview, we can check, this is the lock screen, this is the home screen. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on set on lock and home screens. We can now go back, and as you can see it has been immediately applied. Let's check the lock screen also, and as you can see it is also applied to the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.